Guys, it's time to lock in. And the reason I say that is we are coming into the fourth quarter. The fourth quarter is historically the most bullish for Bitcoin and altcoins, hands down on an 11-year perspective. We coded an algorithm that looks at the 11-year average as well as the bullish year averages of 13, 17, and 21. I just shared that in the future forecast this morning. Look for yourself and you guys can see what's coming. The reason why I think today's update is so important for everyone is because if we start thinking about what's coming in the next 3 months, for some of you guys, you have birthdays. We obviously have Thanksgiving there. We've got Christmas. We've got New Year's. We've got a lot of festivities that are going to be taking place. And I know this sounds silly, but in wintertime, people are more comfortable in life because they're eating comfort food. They're sitting by the fire. They're snuggling, up close to each other. There's this feeling that you are comfortable. When you are comfortable and prices appreciate, this is a place where many people don't take profits because they say, hey, I'm okay with the stimulus I feel in my body of being comfortable, of eating good food, eating maybe a lot of it during Thanksgiving, and my portfolio is going up. I'm living like a king. They sit back, relax, and then the top is in, and then they lose 60 to 80% of all their money. Okay? What I did today for you guys is I went through, I'm going to pull up, let me pull this up real quick. Actually, I don't know if I can. I can. Let me do this real quick. I'll show this to you guys. I just got done recording this future forecast. This is at tradeconfident.io. If you would like to watch this, you guys can grab a membership in the description and enjoy the 25% off coupon code. It's very reasonable. What I did is I came out with the update video today, this morning. This is on October 3rd. And I came out and I showed you guys all of my exit prices for XRP, XLM, sorry, I did refresh this and correct it there. There we go. XRP, XLM, SHIB, 88, and Solana. And what I've done here, you guys can actually go through here and you can go through the different benchmarks I have. But I show you guys, well, you guys can see it right here. Actually, I'll just show this to you. We look at the algorithm we created to show us what we expect from an 11-year perspective as well as a 4-year perspective. And we actually, in the future here, we're going to be going over specific dates of where these peaks are expected to be. But the most important part here, guys, is understanding where the exit points are for XRP. Guys, where XLM, SHIB, ADA, Solana. When you guys go into the holidays here and you're stimulated by all these great festivities going on, and I don't blame you because I do as well, you start to lose track of what's most important and what you've been working on for the last 3 years when it comes to finance, okay? That is all the hard work you've done for 3 years of buying in low and trying to sell at the top. And right when all the festivities are done, that's when the market comes in. The bear market just takes you guys out. That is historically what has happened for about the last decade in cryptocurrency when you're at your bullish year, which is the year after the halving event. So what I wanted to do today is just give you guys all these exit points. I've turned my charts, literally all my charts now look like this, where everything is basically mono except for the red lines that you need to pay attention to. So when you watch these forecasts, you're just paying attention just to the red lines, guys. They're Fibonacci extensions. They're indicators you probably haven't even heard of that I'm pulling out. They're retracements as well as extensions. They are ascending and descending resistance lines. When we hit these levels, I'm looking to take some profit. Now, let's give ourselves a quick update. I'm going to push my face over to the left-hand side here. Where are we at? The market's starting to rebound back here. Silver's doing amazing at $48, guys. We're probably going to break 50 easily by the end of the year, so that's doing fantastic. Bitcoin's up 0.70%. XRP leading the way here at 0.36% up while we have the other coins starting to catch up with it. Guys, I think October is going to be the place where you see the first big exit from the big players. And then every single cycle in altcoins, you see a 20 to 30% drawdown. You guys know this is true if you've been with me in this market. You don't need to be in here a decade like I have, but like even in the last 4 years, you know this. There's usually a 20 to 30% drawdown where you get an opportunity to buy back in. October is scheduled to be the first month of taking good gains before we have the pullback to then go into the last part of the year. And you need to know where those exits are because when these red lines have been hit on these individual altcoins, you've seen those 20 to 30% drawdowns in the past. Do you know where those prices are? Look, guys, I'm just saying this. During this time, when you're spending a lot of money on the holidays, consider maybe investing into a membership like we have here, where I spend every Tuesday and Friday going over these charts. And if you can just carve out 30 minutes on a Tuesday and a Friday to watch what I'm doing with my portfolio and show you guys how I'm managing $1.5 million in the market, which we've already taken out we've taken out over $500,000 worth of principal and gains this year. We took out a 1,500% gainer on Solana. We bought at $14, sold at $216, and we're up 537,000. Like, I have skin in the game here where I must pay attention because my family depends on this. So as I work hard here, guys, to give you guys these updates of what I'm doing with my live money portfolio, you guys can enjoy your life, and I'll give you guys updates of what I see in the market. And I'll tell you guys, when you watch these, I promise you, you'll be like, yeah, that is a place where I would want to exit. And it makes sense why you would want to exit there because of the technical analysis behind it. So what I'm trying to do is relieve the burden on you guys. Go have fun during this next quarter. Go to all the pumpkin patches you want. Go to all the Christmas light showings. And I will spend this time and spend 30 minutes, Tuesday and Friday, every day. Tuesday and Friday during the week is when I come out with these, is when I'm going to come out with them. And you guys can simply just watch these and I'll keep you guys updated with everything I'm doing in the market. So if you guys think that's a good investment for you, we charge $65 a month. The first month, you're getting 25% off, so you can enjoy that. As well as we do have the highest win record called on scalping/swing trades for cryptocurrency, 310 wins and 0 losses. No, that's not fake. That's actually really true. And you guys can look at the performance ledger available to the public if you guys would like. That's always available for everybody. You do not need a membership to view our performance record here. And we're looking to call some more of those out in the coming days here. So guys, go to the link in the description, tradeconfident.io. I will work for you guys here. I think you guys are going to enjoy the exit points here. And I call out everything today in prices so you can write them down on your piece of paper as well if you want to set up alerts for yourself. And then obviously come in here and anything that you see where it says downloadable chart, downloadable web app, downloadable chart, wherever you guys see that, download the chart for yourself, guys. I'm giving you guys TradingView charts to help you time this cycle so you can watch charts while I'm not with you on Tuesday and Friday. God bless, guys. I'll see you guys in the future forecast, and the next one we'll come out with will be next Tuesday. All right, guys, have fun. I think the best is coming, but exits are approaching quickly, so please pay attention. Bye, guys.